What's up, friends? It's a beautiful, kind of cold day. A nice day for another edition of Commuter Covers. I'm gonna do some Peter Gabriel today. All right, without any further ado, let's get sledgy. You could have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. You could have an aeroplane flying if you bring your blue skies back. All you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. You could have a Big Dipper rolling up and around the bends. You could have a bumper car bumping. This amusement never ends. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Oh, I wanna call the sledgehammer. This'll be my testimony. Show me around your fruit cage, 'cause I will be your honeybee. Open up your fruit cage, where the fruit is as sweet as can be. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Oh, where to call the sledgehammer? Put your mind at rest. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Oh, I'm gonna call the sledgehammer. No doubt about it. Sledge. Sledge. Sledgehammer. Kick the habit, shed my skin. This is the new stuff. I come dancing in. That's whoa, won't you show for me? I will show for you. Won't you show for me? I will show for you. Yeah, I do mean you. Only you. I'm coming through. I wanna feel that power. A little bit of power now. Oh, feeling the power. I'm feeling the rhythm. I wanna feel that power. Come on, help me through. Come on, help me through. Come on, yeah, help me through. Oh, food in the rhythm. I'm feeling the rhythm. I wanna feel that power. little bit of power now. Ah. All right, my friends. Thank you for sticking with me for yet another edition of Commuter Covers. Hope you're all doing well, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and peace and love to everybody.